Hey guys, Mark McPherson, BuildDirect again. You'll notice I put the shirt back on. It is butt cold here, but we're now going to basically open the truck up, lower it down, and show you what the process looks like. So here we go. So right now he's just lowering the lift gate for us here. As you can see, it moves about as quickly as I do. It turns out I don't move that quickly. So now guys, as the materials come off the truck, you'll want to do a quick visual inspection. Just look outside, make sure the pallet's not destroyed or damaged, or if there's anything noticeable, you want to make sure that you discuss it with the driver and just sign off on the waybill that there looks to be some damage, and you will do further inspection. And this is just something that will help us along the way if there are issues with it. Most of the time it's not a problem, but it's just something to keep in mind as you're going. Everything here looks great, so we're just going to sign off on it. We're going to take it inside, and on Monday we're going to put everything in. So we'll show you the actual moving it inside later, because it's going to be a freaking gong show. But that's really about the size of it. Easy, relatively quick. It's a lot nicer than taking it off by yourself. And it's cold, so we're going to go back inside. So Mark McPherson, BuildDirect, I am out of here.